What's unique about us at True Velocity is that we have a product that has never been done before. So to have an integrator who was willing to respond quickly to help us do something that had never been done before was a tremendous value add to our organization. And how they have done that and how they continue to do that, and their flexibility, the ebbs and flows of design change, of iteration, and then also the business cycle of sticking with us through thick and thin. You know, we here at True Velocity have a very firm affiliation for people who are loyal to us and help us as we grow. And we are very loyal to that, and we'll be very loyal to them, and know that MTA will be a value-added partner for us for decades to come.